everyone, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make another simple headband. I showed you all the supplies you would need. Now let's get started on this headband. I'm going to first tie a knot with my yarn. I'm just going to twist it around my finger twice, then take one and overlap the other, and there you go. Here's my knot. Now it's time for me to crochet my yarn onto my rubber band. As you can see, I have a loop on my crochet needle. I take my needle and go under my rubber band and grab some yarn and make another loop. I now have two loops. I take my needle and grab some more yarn and take it through both loops. I repeat this step 10 times. I'm finished with the first row. Now I'm going to go in the opposite direction. I'm going to first do a double crochet stitch. I will take my yarn and wrap it around my needle 2 times. Then take my needle and go through the second hole. Grab some yarn, take my needle through the hole and then go through 2 loops. Then take some more yarn and go through the last 2 loops. Repeat this step 10 times. I did 10 double stitches across and 31 rows. Now all I'm doing is closing my band and just repeating the steps that I repeated when I first started crocheting my band. I'm finished. I'm just tying the end just to make sure that it don't come loose. This band was so easy to make. I hope you are able to make one too. I want to thank you so much for watching. If this was your first time, I want to welcome you to this channel. And if you are already a family member, I want to thank you for subscribing. Again, thank you for watching, and if you're not a family member, please go ahead on and subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn your notification bell on.